Welcome to my unboxing and first look at the MSI Z77 MPOWER. Changes the game of overclocking. Big Bang series from MSI. This is an OC certified motherboard. More than that in a bit. It comes in a Z77 chipset. Supports the Intel Core CPUs from the second and third generations. Supports compatible with the Windows 7, Windows 8, AMD Crossfire, NVIDIA SLI, HDMI, and Lucid Logic's Virtue MVP. So, let's see what MSI have to say about the board. First of all, overclocking requires top quality components. It comes with the all usual military class 3 components like a Deer Moss 2, OC PCB, high C-cap, super ferrite chokes, and solid capacitors. Hybrid digital power, enhanced PWM design with hybrid digital power, designed for overclocking on K-SKU CPUs. It basically is an overclocking board. It's meant to use with the K series, like a 3770K, you know, all these. It can be used with a SMD bridge CPU. It comes with an 8-pin power connector for CPU, as usual, and 6-pin power connector for VGA. It is an auxiliary power. Enhanced thermals, the twin frozer 4 base design, and total fan control, and all of the fan headers on this board are 4-pin PWM. So the multi-BIOS, like 2 BIOSes, you can switch, a debug LED, V checkpoint that you can check with a multimeter, easy button to can power and reset the board from the board itself, and a clear CMOS. It comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and USB 3, a PS2 port for gaming keyboards. We cover AMD Crossfire, and that's it. Let's jump to the board. So, first of all, we have the accessories. We have a black flexible SLI bridge, the best kind. We have an I/O shield. Come on, cameraman. An I/O shield, black and stealthy. We have the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi module, the antenna, and the extender. It's a magnetic, very nice. We have four SATA 3 6 gigabit a second cables. I think 2 right angle. No, all of them right angle. Yeah, all of them right angle. It's kind of disappointing, but okay. We have M connectors that you can line up the front panel connectors with them very easily. We have the software and application user guide. We have the driver CD, which you shouldn't use. Download the latest from the MSI website. We have a overclocking guide, which is very nice in color. Teaches you how to overclock. We don't need it. We have the V checkpoint cables that you can hook up to the board and then put a multimeter in them. Handy. We have the quick installation guide. We have a certificate of quality and stability, more on that in a bit, and the regular user guide. Let's see the board itself. Come wrapped in a anti-static bag. Okay, Wi-Fi module. Okay, let's close the box again. So let's see what's special about this board. Why is it branded MPOWER? First of all, we have a gorgeous matte black PCB. Very, very nice matte black. You cannot even see the traces. You have here. So let's cover the board like from here to there. So first of all, we have the 8-pin CPU power. You don't need to get that close. You have the twin frozer based cooler. You can see the super pipe here. It's an 8mm thick heat pipe. We have the PCH cooler. And let's see. Here we have the buttons, the easy buttons. We have the power button, a reset button, and an OC Genie button. Just OCs your CPU to about 4.2 gigahertz. We have the 24-pin connector. We have the V checkpoints. We have the 6-pin auxiliary power, which is very handy to have. Because you know these boards have like in a random place, like here, a Molex that you need to run straight to there. It's like in the middle of the board, very not nice. A debug LED that tells you a code when something wrong. You have a right angle USB 3 in a very nice cable management location. Can you focus on it? Here. Okay. So we have 2 SATA 3, 6 gigabit a second, and 4 SATA 2, 3 gigabit a second. On board, we have the multi-BIOS switch here. See? The BIOS switch. The BIOS switch is here. Don't get too close. We have a pair of USB 2.0 headers. Each of them gives you 2. We have a powered USB 2 header. It gives you extra power for charging tablets and all kind of that stuff. We have the front panel connectors. We have, I have no idea what it is. We have an end HD audio. We have 3 PCIe physical 16X 3.0 or 2.0, depends what CPU you're using. This one will run at 16X. If 2 of those are populated, this one 8X, and 4X. This 4X runs off the chipset and not off the CPU, so it's less better. You can see, due to bandwidth allocation limitations, it's strongly recommended users will install a 3rd generation. Use it with an Ivy Bridge CPU. Let's remove the sticker. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 PCIe 1X slots. And okay, let's count the fan headers. All of them are PWM. Check. You'll see it all. We have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A total of 5 4-pin PWM headers. This is the socket area. You can see the 1155 socket with all 1155 pins on it. And what is really special about this board? This board, every single board like this, is hand tested from the factory. Let me just put it inside. Close the box. Flip it over. OC certified means that every single board is stress tested for 24 hours in Prime 95 on a real overclock, like 4.2 gigahertz, like 24 hours. Like, this board is almost guaranteed to get 4.6 gigahertz on a 3770K. I think it's 3770K. Never mind. You see, each MPOWER mainboard has gone through strict tests to guarantee stable overclocking results. So each of those is being tested on a liquid-cooled CPU, which means there's no airflow to the VRM area, and under like extreme load, unrealistic load, Prime 95. And in a non-realistic temperature. I think it's 50 degrees Celsius ambient. And I think that's pretty much it for the board. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and thumbs up. Thumbs up and like is the same. Wait. We forgot the back I/O. We have 2 USB 2, the PS2 combo, 6 USB 3.0, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet, DisplayPort, HDMI, optical audio out, and the HD audio out analog. Now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos by MyMac101.